After being in quarantine and staying in New York for more than a year, it feels great to be back. I'm overcome with nostalgia walking down the cobblestone streets of Savannah. It isn't all about nostalgia though, because while I've been gone, new buildings have risen. I love history, and seeing the new JW Marriott Hotel is really fascinating. As I enter the lobby, the first thing I notice is a huge dinosaur, and beautiful stones and jewelry in the center. For a moment, I was transported back to the American Museum of Natural History in New York. There's a large skeleton of a bear, which is again reminiscent of the dioramas at the museum. The different jewels form something of a rainbow in the lobby's light. You feel drawn to it and strangely relax.
This makes me think of The Lion King, you know, that like one tree.
The pianist is playing classic Beatles songs, and the entire environment is welcoming. Natural lighting from the ceiling floods the room, and I'm amazed and even forget for that instant that I'm in a hotel lobby. What makes this experience so powerful is how it combines the very old, such as fossils and gemstones, with the brand new.
I love the paint.
Savannah seems to be like this. There's so much history everywhere you look, and yet a true freshness and vitality.